come and clean the board. So whose turn is it to write on the board today?
Ma'am, mine.
Come and write. Tom, stand up and explain.
For
Speak up. We don't have whole day.
for 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 every for every
Sit down. You can't speak. Everyone copy this in your notebooks. I want it tomorrow. What are you doing? Get up. I told you to write. Why are you not writing from the board? What is this? All this drawing? Everyone else is writing and you? Get off my class. Okay, I forgot to tell you all something. Students, next week there is a national level drawing competition. The students from various schools will send their artwork. Interested students from our school can also send you work. And if you are selected for the final work, will get Best National Drawing Award. So, who all wants to participate? Why are you raising your hand? You are also interested? You don't seem interested in studies. You always give us sluggish work. Then why do you want to register for it, huh?
What are you doing here, man? This ground not for limps like you. Sluggers are not allowed to be played in this ground. You get it?
Tom, come let's play.
no. No one wants to play with me. No one wants me to be a part of their team. I can't come. God gave me this disability. I can't do anything.
Don't worry about that. You just don't worry. Come, just let's play.
No, I won't. Everyone hates me. I can't do anything.
It's okay, Tom. Don't think about all those things. Just come.
No, I can't. I won't. Sorry. Please. Leave me alone.
Please.
Is everyone present today?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's Tom? I can't see him.
Ma'am, I saw him on the school campus today. He's not there right now.
Where is he now?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. I don't know where is he.
Go and search for Tom.
Ma'am, the principal is calling you.
You please go, I'll come.
Ma'am, may I come in?
Yes, come in. Both of you, get in. Yes, Tom, where were you? Stand up.
Ma'am, you who gave us
homework yesterday. I did not do it. You will punish if the homework is not done.
Tom, come here. Everybody, clap for him. Do you know why I told you all to clap for him?
Ma'am, the principal is calling you.
You please go, I'll come. May I come in, sir?
Please come in.
Sir, you called me?
Yes. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Tom 10A or 10B?
Sir, 10B.
How is he during class hours?
Not so attentive. So he doesn't speak up much. He's always in his own world, and even if I ask him to stand up, he stands like a sluggish boy. Now also he didn't come to class. I have sent a kid to file him.
I also called him once, but he didn't open up.
Yes, sir. Others, so he's very quiet. I don't think he has any skills.
But if we look at the fact, it's our mistake.
So I don't think it's a mistake. I mean,
Yes, there is a hidden skill which we never brought out and we misunderstood him. You remember the national level drawing competition? Tom got first place in that competition and he has got the best national award for his work. We thought he's a disabled and he can't do anything, but he's the one who brought fame to our school. From this, we should understand not to judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree. Okay, you can go now.
so this is why I told you all to clap for him. By the way, Tom, I told you not to register. Then how did you register?
Ma'am, I only included his name in the list. That day you scolded him and then he took his book and he left it here itself. I took the book home and I saw the drawings in it. And the drawings were very good. And when I saw the notebook was Tom's, I included his name.
Come here, Ragini. A student has done a job that a teacher should have done. Everyone clap for her also.